Hey guys, today I'm here to talk to you about kind of an interesting product. Now, as most of you know, we have solar at our cottage in Northern Ontario, and we have solar on our roof in our 29.9 foot RV fifth wheel. And so we use solar a lot. Now, when Optisolex reached out and said, we'd love you to review our product, we said, you know what? That might be something kind of cool because we can extend our solar usage when we're not using the solar on the roof of either of our locations. One cool thing about this product, it only weighs 17 pounds and it actually fits really compactly with a handle, so you can carry it around. It's not all floppy, ending up all over the place because everything hooks together when you put it away. It has 440 watts on it, and that's a lot. We have 1280 on our roof of our RV, and I don't even know, 4,300 or something on our cottage in Ontario. So this is a nice little add-on. The other thing that's kind of cool is it has USB plugs, so you can plug right into the little charge controllers on the back, and there are two of them, so when you split the solar panels in half with the zipper, you can use them in two different places and you can charge your phone and things like that. Now there is an option that you can get where you can plug it into your car battery and things. They did not send us that, so I can't really speak to it, unfortunately, but the little charge stations are really nice to have because it's very easy to use.
So what do you think about the compactability of the unit?
Well, it folds up really nice. Like you can put it in behind the back seat of your pickup or your, like I said, your Class B van. It really folds up nice and compact, and then so you can pretty much put it anywhere.
So I have a camper with its own battery, and what I do is I'll take the charger and hang it on the side of the camper and charge the camper battery with it, and then some of the current comes from my truck battery, so I'll switch them back and forth from the truck battery to the camper battery, and it works really well. It keeps them charged up.
So where do you think you'd use something like this?
I think when we're out boondocking, I think it might be very helpful to have another power source. It's always good to have extra power sources available. My wife always teases me that I like to wear a belt with my suspenders, but yeah, it would be great to always have something extra to charge phones, other batteries, whenever you don't have any other sources available. I think the weight is really nice. It's not hard to pick up and carry around. It's not heavy at all. I have some solar panels that are very, very heavy and a lot more difficult to maneuver.
Another nice thing too is each panel is independent, so if you have a shade over it, like even just putting your hand out over our panels on our roof, you can really see the wattage drop because it affects all of the other panels. But in this case, they're independent, so putting shade on one is not going to affect the other panels, which is really nice because even a tree up in the line of the sun can mess up the other panels. So this is really nice. Now another cool thing is it's really easy to set up. One thing I will note though, I've seen other solar panels that have kickstands on them, meaning you can lean them out. So this you have to be a little bit more creative, but there are a lot of tie-down straps on this thing so that you can hook it over, like say the rail of your van or rail of your RV. I'm just looking at other ways that you could lay out this unit without having to use a prop-up system. I've seen some people put them on like a bench, so it looks like an L if there's a bench nearby, or some chairs. So there are a lot of different options to use it, but it would be nice if they had some type of a stand to be able to put them on. One other thing I noticed is the packaging. Although it's very easy to put back together, it just folds up nice and simple. It's not like your road maps where you spend 2 hours trying to figure out how the thing goes back together. It's very intuitive, but it does show dirt very easily. Now keep in mind, we're out in the Southwest desert and it's nothing out here is clean. So if you're using it in grassy areas or something like that, it wouldn't be a problem. But where we are, tons of dust. But to be honest with you, we really don't care about that. Once we start using a product, if it looks shiny and all that, that's fine as long as the product works. So overall, it's a great little product, and we're definitely going to use it when we need extra solar, when we're sitting on those cloudier days when the rooftop just ain't cutting it. So check it out, Optisolex, and see what you guys think, and let me know what you guys think.
Okay, you guys, so I wanted to say one last thing before I let you go. I wanted to say that Optisolex came in and helped us at our 5-day live music event for RVers held in Sonoyta, Arizona. And part of what that event entailed was raising money to provide toys for families in need so they could have toys for their kids for the holiday season this year. So they came in and helped us out with that. Working with a company that helps out with something like that, it makes it even more enticing for us to talk about the product. So yeah, thank you guys for coming in and helping out with the event, and it was a really, really great time. Take care.